Alright, this is the harbor. I don't know how much you can see. It's pretty protected back here. There's no snow on the ground. It's all drifted up to our side. Oh! I just slipped. There's the beach out there.